Imagine two friends starting exactly alike. Same age, same job, same frustrations. Yet 4 decades later, one retires comfortably, debt-free, while the other still works, calculating how many more years until freedom. Their secret? A seemingly insignificant $100 a month. It sounds impossible that a mere $100 could build a fortune, but this isn't magic. It's the quiet, relentless power of compounding. Over decades, that humble sum, steadily invested, transforms into hundreds of thousands, silently turning a small stream into a powerful river. For years, you'll feel like you're doing all the heavy lifting, but then a quiet miracle happens. Around year 9, your investment earnings will suddenly surpass your annual contributions, marking the moment your money starts working harder than you do. Why don't more people do this? The answer is a trick of the mind. That small $100 feels insignificant, leading us to wait for more, anchoring our ambition at zero and missing the magic that happens only with time. Starting to invest, even with a tiny sum, isn't just about money. It's about a profound shift in identity. You transform from a mere consumer or saver into an owner, someone whose money is actively building wealth even while you sleep. Many fear market crashes, but the true danger isn't volatility, it's being absent. Historical data shows that missing just a few of the market's best days can drastically erode your returns, proving that consistent time in the market triumphs over trying to time the market. Ready to unlock your own financial future? It's simpler than you think. Just 5 easy steps. Open an account, choose a fund, set an auto transfer, and then, the hardest part, forget about it. Let time and compounding work their quiet magic.